Hi, this is Pooja, and years back I had a ringing sound, and I went to different doctors, and nothing really worked out. And then I found about Dr. Pandey, that's in Santa Cruz, and I'm just happy to say that in 4 to 5 sessions I was able to not only hear properly, but also I was able to do my job properly, because most of my job had things of calling, and due to that I'm just very happy to say it. And the tinnitus where I could not hear and I had ringing sound as said. So that's it. Thank you so much, doctor.